CHINT's NG740.5 ring main unit is designed for the evolving energy landscape. With over 4,000 units delivered across more than 30 countries, it powers solar farms, wind farms, data centers, and EV charging stations. The NG740.5 ring main unit is available in two options: a modular single unit and compact combined units for diversified applications. With a single unit width of just 500 mm and each combined load brake switch width can be as small as 420 mm, it's one of the most compact RMUs in its class. Its compact form factor easily adapts to prefabricated substations and tight wind tower bases, enabling flexible deployments. Built with zinc-nickel alloy mechanism, an IP67 stainless steel tank, and an IP54 outdoor shell, it offers superior protection against dust, water, and corrosion. It ensures long-term stable operation even in dusty deserts or corrosive coastal conditions. Modules combine like building block standard and independent. No on-site gas filling required. It allows for rapid deployment and convenient expansion to meet dynamic project demands. With fully sealed and insulated design, it requires zero maintenance, cutting operation and maintenance time and cost. An advanced mechanical interlock system prevents misoperation, protecting both personnel and equipment. From tight spaces to extreme sites, NG740.5 brings more reliability and flexibility in a smaller size. Empowering the future of energy, CHINT is ready for your next project.